Hi there. Video has quickly become one of the most effective ways to market yourself, your brand, or your business. But whether you've utilized video in the past or not, you probably noticed some best practices when it comes to video just by watching them. So I want to share my number one best tip for making effective videos, and that is focus on the message and not the minutes. See, because the message is what matters. The message should contain content that explains who you are, who you help, and how you help them. Who you are meaning, what's your expertise and why should we listen to you? Who you help meaning, who's your target audience? Who's best suited for the message that you're sharing? And number three, what's the transformative result that you provide for whatever pain point, problem, or challenge that they have? See, the message matters more than the minutes because, see, the message contains content. And you're doing content, meaning sharing videos, for one or two reasons. And that is you're either informing or educating or selling and converting. And whichever side you fall on, make sure your message is tight and right. Because see, when your message is tight and right, it's going to lead to those conversions. Can somebody say cha-ching? Yes, honey. It's what it's all about. Focus on the message, not the minutes. And to further illustrate my point, have you ever found yourself watching a video for 5, 10 minutes or more, and you looked around and you're like, oh my God, I can't believe I've been watching this video for this long? That's because the video magnetized you. It pulled you in and you sat there and watched it. That's what I want you to do. Focus on your message, magnetize your audience, and make them so captivated that they want to watch more. So guys, whether you agree or disagree with this message, please leave me a comment below. What are some best practices that you've seen when it comes to videos? And by all means, if you need help with mastering your marketing when it comes to videos and other strategies, reach out to me and ask me about the Trailblazer CEO Masterclass, because we will show you how to master your marketing, including videos and other strategies to help you grow your business. My name is Lori A. Manns. I am a master business strategist, and you can connect with me at qualitymediaconsultants.com, where we help entrepreneurs and small business owners to get dream clients, gain brand visibility, and grow revenue and cash flow in record time. I will see you next time, and make sure you focus on the message and not the minutes when you're doing your videos. Bye-bye, you guys.